Hello there, precious friends. I pulled an oracle card this week, and the message was just beautiful. The card said, "No matter where I am home. The most sacred sanctuary is found within me." And I thought, yes, this is exactly what we need to hear right now, because it's a lot out there. It's loud and scary and spinning, and most of us have been trained to deal with that by doing one of two things. Either we white knuckle our way through it, just keep your head down and survive, or we go looking for something outside ourselves to make it stop. A guru, a savior, a purchase, a news cycle that somehow finally resolves. But what if the thing you're looking for is already inside you? What if real, durable, unshakable sanctuary is something you can build right there in your own precious heart? I believe it is. And today I want to talk about how. If conversations like these interest you, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you be a part of the community being created here. The first thing you need to build inner sanctuary is self-trust. And I know that sounds simple, but for a lot of us, especially women, it's actually a radical act. We've been trained to believe that we are perpetually not enough, that our instincts can't be trusted, that we need somebody with more credentials or certainty to tell us what's true. And capitalism absolutely loves this. By the way, if the problem is always you, there's a product that can fix it. But sanctuary starts with a different agreement. It starts with deciding, I am wise. My intuition is real. I know what is good for me. You don't need a guru. You don't need a savior. You had the power all along. You've just been talked out of it. Now, here's the thing, and I love this paradox. Going within does not mean going it alone. Being human is so hard. We were never designed to do it without help. Your God squad, your guides, your angels, the great goodness in whatever form you know it, is sitting on the edge of their seats right now, just waiting for an invitation. You do not have to choose between being the boss of you and being deeply and lovingly held. Those things can be true at the same time. Knowing you are guided, guarded, protected, and loved is not weakness. It's one of the most stabilizing things that I know. Okay, practical tip number one. You cannot build a sanctuary while marinating in content designed to terrify you. I'm just going to say it. Turn off the news. Stop doom scrolling as soon as your alarm goes off. Seriously. This is not spiritual bypassing. This is basic inner ecology. If you want peace on the inside, you have to be intentional about what you let in from the outside. Play music that lifts your spirit. Look for glimmers, those small, genuine moments of beauty and delight that show up in your ordinary day if you're paying attention. Schedule sanctuary time like it matters, because it does. And here's the big one, and it is the most countercultural thing I know how to teach. Getting still, sitting, breathing, just noticing what's happening inside you without immediately trying to fix it is how you learn how to master your own inner experience. You do not have to clear your mind. Please don't even try to clear your mind. It's too hard. And you're not doing it wrong when your thoughts are everywhere. Just notice. Just notice they're everywhere. That's it. And when a part of you shows up, the anxious one, the critical one, the one who's absolutely convinced that they are not enough, meet them. Notice them. Name them. Nurture them. Thank them for what they've been trying to do for you. I have watched this practice, this simple practice, completely change people's lives in my counseling work over and over again. Not metaphorically, actually changed their lives. When you build that capacity, when loving every part of yourself becomes the default, you get really hard to knock off your beam because you know who you are. And you have a home inside yourself that no news cycle can reach. Sanctuary is not something you earn. It's not something you find outside yourself. It's something you remember. It's something you tend. Your own precious heart is already a sacred place, a place where every part of you can be safe and held and loved. So wherever you are right now, whatever is loud out there, you can go inside. You can breathe. You can find the fire that stays lit no matter what is happening around it. And no matter where you are, you're home. If this resonated with you, I'd love to hear what your inner sanctuary looks like. Drop it in the comments. And if you know someone who needs this message today, please share it with them. I'll see you in the next one. Grace and peace.